Looking to deliver your message with confidence and clarity? Welcome to Teleprompter.com, the simplest way to read your script while keeping your eyes on the camera. With just a tap, import your script or notes. No more memorizing lines or shuffling through papers. Use your device in a professional teleprompter rig for studio-quality recordings, or simply record yourself using your phone's camera, with the script aligned close to the lens for natural eye contact. Control the teleprompter remotely from another device, perfect for teams or solo creators. Choose your own scrolling speed manually, or let our voice recognition feature automatically scroll as you speak. After recording, resize your video for any platform, vertical, square, or widescreen, and add a blurred background for a polished professional look. When you're ready, export your polished video at the tap of a button. Perfect for sharing on social media, showcasing in presentations, or embedding on your website. Elevate your on-camera delivery. Sign up at teleprompter.com and speak with confidence every time.